Hi, I'm Lee Tessier from Tessier Real Estate. I hope you are enjoying the summer. I know it's gone by quickly already. One of the things I wanted to talk about today was just sellers' mistakes that we've seen over the years, some of the big mistakes that they've cost themselves a lot of money. So when you're preparing your house and you're getting ready to sell, hopefully you've done some of the things and been able to enjoy them. But if you're getting ready to do other things, make sure that it's not above your pay grade and you're not doing advanced DIY stuff, and then all of a sudden you get partially through a project and you've got to get a contractor to come in and bail you out because they are generally going to charge you more money, plus they don't know what all they're getting into as well. So when it's not start to finish. One of the things that we did run into not that long ago, somebody had a paver patio put over top a concrete pad that they had kind of either done themselves, or it was a little more cost effective to go over, which then water runoff ran back to the house and rotted out the band board and also some of the plywood underneath the siding. That was very costly to take that all up, make those repairs, bust up the concrete, and put this paver patio back down. So watch just so you don't get yourself into too much of a predicament. Electrical, plumbing, HVAC, make sure that you are capable of taking these repairs on, or get a great qualified contractor. If you need somebody as a referral, please call our office. We'll be glad to give you a suggestion of people that we use on a regular basis. Call us at the office at 410-638-9555, and we'll give you a list of contractors that we use, or if there's something specific that you're looking for. But also, if you're thinking of selling, and even if it's a year or two out, get with us. We'll come out, meet with you, go through our listing presentation, walk through the house with you, and also give you great expectations on what that we suggest you do for highest return. You don't want to do huge projects such as full kitchen remodels or full bath remodels unless it's very, very dated. There's some little simple fixes. Sometimes it's painting cabinets, changing hardware, changing countertops and appliances. So give us a call. We'll be glad to come out and meet with you and go over our suggestions. For a list of contractors, feel free to reach out to us, and we look forward to helping. Have a great summer, and we'll talk to you soon. Our number at the office, again, is 410-638-9555. Take care.